guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the broker MLS compensation to your listings on your IDX Broker, inside IDX Broker on your WordPress website. So in order to do this, you're basically going to log into your IDX Broker Dashboard, and you're going to come over here to Listings and click on Active. And here you can see all of the active listings for you if you're an individual agent, or for your company if you're a brokerage. And I'm going to go into the featured properties page and pick a listing. I've picked this one right here. And so I'm going to open it up the listing, and I just grabbed the MLS number right up here from the top of the page in the URL so I could quickly find it. So now I'm going to come over here and do a search, and I'm going to paste that. And here is the listing. So I'm just going to click on it. And then here, down here at the bottom, is the offer of compensation. So let's say I put 2% right there and save changes. And I come here and I refresh that. And there you go. Now the offer of compensation is right there. So you can edit that for each of your listings by coming into your active properties. When I take it out, you'll notice now it's gone, but that's where it's going to be. So all you have to do is come in and edit your listing, add the offer of compensation right there, and then save it, and it will automatically update on the listing detail page on your website. This will not go back and forth to the MLS, just so you know. It's not going to go through to the MLS or come back. It's only going to be available on your website. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Thanks for watching.